Dr. Steve Greene from Advanced Dermatology and Laser Institute of Seattle. Today we're going to treat a gentleman's cherry angiomas. Cherry angioma is a proliferation of small little capillaries, and with the vascular laser we're using today, we're going to seal up those blood vessels and cause these red changes in the skin to disappear.
Yeah. Okay. Did you hear the flute?
I did.
All right. So,
Very cheerful noise.
yeah, it's very cheerful. So it is going bye-bye. That is amazing. So can you see how the color changed from fire engine red to this sort of almost cobalt blue to gunsleep gray? And this is a sign that the whole cherry angioma has sealed up completely, and this will represent a great outcome, and it will absorb over the next 1, 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, these are just going poof. It's pretty amazing. Here's a really big one. XLV laser for this.